and your fingers.
Hey honeys, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss another video, then come back and see me. So we're going to go ahead and start this video by looking at this braid pattern. I have 12 braids in the front that I joined into 5 in the back, and make sure that you all remember to tuck that hair very well, because in the past I did cut a crochet braid at the nape of my neck, which did affect the density of my hair in its current state. So I am going to be using the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. I have not used this brand before. I generally make my own oil, which has been growing my hair just fine, because your hair does grow every day. Are we retaining length is the question. But me, in this situation, I'm using these drops to see if I can continue to bounce back from hyperthyroidism. As you all know, in a previous video, I said that my hair has thinned some due to hyperthyroidism, but I've recovered from that, so my hair is now thriving, and we're gonna see where I can get with these drops. So let's get into this hair, y'all. As you saw on the screen, this hair is called the Bomb Twist hair. I ordered this hair off of Amazon, and the link will be down below in the description box if you're interested in trying this hair. This hair is very lightweight, springy, it's very pretty. The ends of this hair is tangly, so you will have to be careful with the ends. Now we're going to get into how you gauge the amount of hair that you want to put in your head. So I know that we all have had situations where we thought that we were going to do this cute style on ourselves, and mid-style we didn't have enough hair, so we had to go back to the beauty supply or somewhere to get additional hair. So what I like to do is, before I install the hair, I get individual sections and just kind of gauge by putting it close to my head how it will look, so I'll see the density before I really do the installation. So I knew that upon receiving this hair that I would not be able to use just one pack, so I suggest that you order 2 bundles total. Okay honeys, for the remainder of this video you will see me continue to install these twists. I do give you a final twist count at the end, as well as show you the versatility of this hair. Y'all, I did notice that there was one section of hair that was a different color than the rest. So out of the 2 whole bundles that I purchased, 96 in each pack, so out of 192 twists, only 12 were different colors, so no big deal. I know that it was a result of human error, and if I needed to install these twists, I would have just put them in a place where they wouldn't have been visible and would have easily blended in with the rest of the hair, because hey, we all make mistakes. The loop for this hair is a little tight, but it's still easy to install, so you shouldn't have too many difficulties. My installation is a full density installation, so I tried to cover the entire length of the braids in the front. I did start my braids a little closer to the edge so that I could have my desired look. At the beginning of the video when I showed the hair, I mentioned that the ends are tangly, so I just cut the ends as I was installing the hair. As I install these last few pieces, I just show you here how I like to make sure that wherever my hair is going to be parted, that the twists are lining up on each side of the braid. So what I want is for my hair to look like it's very uniform and has the same density on each side. So I try to crochet the same number of twists on the braids that are the same length, or the braids that share the part that I'll be wearing.
Perfect.
Here is an issue that you may run into if your hair isn't braided down properly. I braided my hair 2 days before installing it, so as you can see, a loose piece of hair from the adjacent braid tried to get into this one as I was installing it. So if this happens, the best solution is to just start over, unlatch that hook, take the hair out, and do it again. That will prevent you damaging your hair. Okay, honeys, I had a total of 36 twists left over, including the 12 twists that were a different color. This hairstyle is very versatile after installing it. You can do different parts. I'm going to show you a few you can rock while you have this hair installed. And remember that the density of your hair and the way your hair is parted depends on the base that you have. That's why it's really important to have a good foundation when you start a protective style, especially if it's crochet. So if you have a certain look that you prefer, make sure that you assess that. So make it look the way that you like, make it look good, and have fun with this hair, y'all. This hair is so light and springy, but oh my goodness, these ends, that's another story. You definitely will have to do ends maintenance throughout the duration of wearing this hair, but other than that, I think it looks good. It's really pretty, and I plan to try to maintain this style for about 4 weeks, but we'll see. So till next time, thanks for watching.